What you're seeing here is what we've been telling people about for a long time. This is the beginning of the end of the United States. Because see, when the courts can now ignore the Constitution, not apply certain parts of the Constitution, you can now lock innocent people up. That's right. You can now lock somebody that's innocent up because you can now assume for them. And next, they can take your freedom of speech away from you too. That's right. They can take your rights to bear arms. They can take your freedom of speech. They can do it all. It's the end of the United States. This is what you're seeing right here. That's the reason the courts ain't going to uphold the Constitution now. See, so this is a landmark, all right? The landmark, the end of the United States. Yes, sirree. This is what we've been trying to tell people for a long time. And now that we've decided to allow this to happen, because we the people won't do anything about what goes on around us, because we the people are yellow cowards who pee their pants at the thought of any kind of somebody wearing a badge, because you think somehow that they're above you. You think that authority makes you what? A slave. Well, that's what it does, because see, as long as we're going to sit back and allow this type of stuff to happen, it's the same thing I said about allowing our politicians into office when we already know they're lying to us. And we say, well, we all know politicians lie, but we're going to go ahead and allow them to be there, yep. And then we're going to get mad when they lie to us. You have no reason to get mad when they lie to you. It's what you wanted, okay? But, see, this is just the beginning of the end, because, see, now the courts don't got to uphold the Constitution, which means when they want to take the freedom of speech away from you, they have a right to do so, because you gave them that right, okay? That's right. We the people gave that right. When they decide to seize your arms and tell you you can't have them no more, you're going to fight and be mad. But what do you got to be mad about? You're the one that allowed them to get by with what they're doing. That's right. You got nothing to be mad about. All you people, you just want to sit back and let it happen. So as long as you're going to sit back and let it happen, and you're not going to stand up and say, no, you're not, because you ain't going to go to bloodshed. You pull out your guns and you're going to get yourself killed. This is not going to be like revolution was back years ago. No. Technology is too great. You get together 1,000 people now, 10,000 people now with all guns in their hands and come marching down the road, and they'll just bring in the military and their nice new technology, and they'll take you all out in a matter of fucking couple minutes probably, and that'll be the end of that. Okay? And there'll be lots of people sorry. But what can I say? Ain't this what we wanted? This is what we've been wanting all along, because this is what happens when you allow liars to be in positions. This is what happens when you accept lies to be norm. This is what happens, okay? History replays itself, okay? And here you are. Now the courts now have made their landmark decision that they don't got to uphold the Constitution. So this is just the beginning, okay? That's what I got to say about that. It's just the very beginning. Check out the article underneath this video. I'll leave the link for it. You can check it out and read it. And get ready, because you just kissed your country goodbye the rest of the way now, okay? That's what you've done. You've kissed your country goodbye. You've kissed all of your rights goodbye, because you are too coward to stand up and say no, ain't you? And we allowed this to happen, didn't we? You're going to allow Third World War to happen too, ain't you? You're going to allow genocide to happen big time too, ain't you? Because you're all that stupid, ain't you? Check it out. Leave comments, opinions. Next video, you have a good one.